welcome to another short of The Parenting You. I'm Francesca and I would be delighted to be your parenting coach. I hope you all had a great Easter and enjoyed time with your family. I'm sure your children got some chocolate for Easter. This is the chocolate we got, and we have one daughter. This is the amount of chocolate we have. Please note, I'm not advertising for any of these brands. So what do we do with all this chocolate after Easter? Don't leave it around. Don't feed it to them in 3 weeks just because it's around, just because you have it. Store the most of it away and use it in the next few months to bake muffins, biscuits, cakes. There is a very easy recipe that will be also in the comments for a chocolate cake that children love. So 3 eggs, and you weigh the 3 eggs and the weight of the 3 eggs in self-raising flour, sugar, butter, and dark chocolate. Yes. Depending if you are using dark chocolate or milk chocolate, you need to add a bit of milk or not. They love it, it's easy, you can have it for snack, you can give them a small slice in school, there are no nuts, and then naturally you can add anything to this chocolate cake that you would like. Another recommendation is if you know that your child is getting chocolate for Easter, don't get him one yourself. If you want to get him something, get him an Easter art and craft thing or toy or an activity to do together. There's no need of all this chocolate. But if you get it, store it away and make good use of it. We will talk about this. I'm sure most of you are aware sugar is not good, neither for the physical development nor for the brain development of our children, and consequently not for their mood. We will talk about this. If you are curious about Parenting Coach, book a 30 minutes complimentary call with me. I can't wait to talk with you, and I hope to see you and help you and support you along this beautiful journey that is being parent. Happy spring, everybody!